How to create a calendar in Monday.com. Now this is what I'm going to show you guys in this pretty quick and simple video because it's actually super easy to do. Now, once you are here in Monday.com, then of course you want to go to your workspace and then to your board. And then over here you can see main table. I also have form here, but in order to add the calendar, you want to go to add view. Now if you click on there, you should see a couple of different options. Now, if you face a problem like I have, that there is no calendar option in here, then simply, all you simply want to do is click on more views. And over here, you can actually search. So I'm going to search for calendar. As you can see, it's right over here, and I'm going to click on it. And I have now added a complete calendar, which is pretty cool. So I over here have a couple of tasks. So let's say it was just an example, a couple of different YouTube videos, and I have the due dates over here. And then these will also immediately show up in the calendar, which is very helpful. And I can also add a widget, for example. So I can, for example, add a chart. And this is actually pretty cool. And now it says no results were found. But what I can do is, for example, put the status on done, working on it, and stuck, for example. And if I go over here, you can now see that the amount of videos that are working on it, done, or stuck, which is pretty cool. And that is in this whole month. So let's say I put them all to done, then go back, then you can see that 3 of them are done, which is actually pretty cool and very handy to have like in one sort of like tab. So yeah, that's how you can add a calendar. And if you click on new project, you can probably add some stuff here. You can add it just like that. You can also set it to a week or a day. So yeah, that's about it. You can also filter by person. You have other filters. It is actually, yeah, pretty cool what you can do with this. So I hope this pretty quick video helped you out, and I will see you in the next video. Have a good day.